Hello everyone, welcome to quick Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video we are going to see how can you work with the page background color. So right now this is a Microsoft Word welcome screen wherein I have a white page in front of me, and if I type anything, let me just type in some text, so it comes by default in the black color, right? But what if you want to change this color of the page? Like, let's say I want to keep my page as a black color and the text should be appearing in white. So what can we do is just go to this design tab. In here we have this page background group which contains this option of page color. Okay, so let's just select a black color, and as soon as we did that, you can automatically see the text changed to a white. So if I just type in any text over here, then it would be occurring in white color while the page is in black color. Okay, so this change that we have done is a permanent change. That means now if we take a printout of this page, or if we just convert it into a document format, the background of the page will be black and the text would be in white color. If you want to change it to something else, there are these bunch of colors that are given to you, which you can choose anything. And as you can see, the text color is automatically changing. Right now I selected dark blue, so the text color is automatically changed to white. But if you select a lighter color for the background, like let's say this gold accent color, the text is automatically changed into black color. So this is a feature that's been given to you by Microsoft Word. So you can make use of this feature and make your documents look much more visually appealing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.